Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a staple whipped topping. With a handful of ingredients and in 10 minutes are all you need to make this rich and creamy whipped topping. For our ingredients, we have heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. And that is all you need. Here we're adding in our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're adding a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And we're adding in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here we are adding our whisk attachment. You want to whip on medium until stiff peaks start to form. This takes anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. You want to chill until ready to serve. Enjoy straight from the bowl. We have made whipped cream. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.